Good morning. It is a great day to watch the news. I hope the family is awake. The TV is off right now.
Where is the remote control?
Maybe it is under the cushion.
Oh, here. I cannot find it anywhere.
Mike, do you have the remote?
Who? I must check the kitchen, too.
It is not in the drawer. This is a big mystery. Oh. Or did Chrissy take it? I will look in every room. I am searching very hard. Why? Whoa! Over there? Is that it over there? I found the lost remote! Now I can finally relax. The TV is turning on.
The news is very interesting.
I love the morning peace. Is that you, Nova? I will make a hot drink. The coffee smells delicious. Fruit is a healthy snack. Health yolk stack. Huh? Oh. I must keep the table clean. Who changed the channel? Are you playing a game, Mike? The rain is starting to fall. This blanket is very cozy. Chrissy is listening to music. I like a tidy kitchen. Woo! The soap is very bubbly. The weather is very gloomy. Whose toy is this? This is Mike's dinosaur. Everything has a place. It is time for lunch. Is the family hungry? Sandwiches are a great meal.
Woo! Lunch is ready for everyone.
I love my family so much. Everything is perfect today.
The sandwich is very yummy.
This show is very peaceful. Anyone can use the remote now. The afternoon is very quiet. The sunset is so beautiful. I am starting to feel sleepy. I love reading in the evening.
Hot so us, Jim. This is a very interesting book.
Everything is quiet tonight. The house is quiet and still. Good night to the world. The moon is large and the stars are tiny. I will have sweet dreams. The house is silent and glowing. The mind is resting in the long night. Ho, ho, ho! I kept my home tidy today. The sun is rising to start a new day. The hands of the clock move for 7 o'clock. Life is very wonderful. Everything is perfect now. Sharing is good. Goodbye. The TV uses invisible waves. Woo. I must remove the dust.
You can watch your show now.
The battery gives it power. I am finally home. My feet are very comfortable. Rest is very important. Good night to everyone. The mind is resting well. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.